Hi everyone, this is Winnie. So for the lesson 4, to recap, Master Chan actually went through the Fuyin Chart again, and the Fuyin Chart actually represents that everything is not moving, which is a slow and painful process. So unless there is a thing and thing in the answer, then it will override the Fuyin Chart. Okay, so for our Fuyin Chart, it represents that things change very quickly. Okay, things change very fast and it can flip-flop. Okay, and if there's a horse in the answer, it represents, things being unstable, or it's like the asker is overseas, or maybe in a marriage or relationship, it could also mean that the person can run away. Yep. So if there is a emptiness in the answer, the energy in the box is discounted to 20 to 30%. Hence, we need to refer to the opposite box or the palace for the answer, in which the energy will be about 60 to 70%. So if the asker or the subject has an emptiness, we do not refer to the opposite box or the palace, but it could also mean that the person may not be ready financially, emotionally, mentally, so depending on the question asked. So on another angle, if the asker or subject is somebody you do not know and they have an emptiness, it could also mean that they could not be trusted. So Master Chan also went through the meanings of the 8 doors. Okay, he also talked about the representation of each of the 8 doors. Okay, so later on in the lesson, Master Chan also he went through some case studies, okay, to reinforce and also to apply what was being taught earlier in the past few lessons. So overall, using the case studies, it actually helps to reinforce what was being learned. So it's the case studies are very useful, very applicable to questions, to real life questions of what could be asked. Yeah, so overall, these 4 lessons are really an eye-opener for me as a newbie in Qi Men Dun Jia. So it's very interesting, very something that is I hope it can change my life. Yeah. So very thankful for given the opportunity, to learn Qi Men Dun Jia from Master Chan. So I'm very thankful to Master Chan to give me this opportunity. Yeah. Thank you.